Hi everyone, this Data Dynasty YouTube channel. Here we are going to provide the content related to the data science domain. And today video is about streamlining data, that essentials of ETL in data engineering. Let's get started. The whole video is about the ETL implementation in data engineering. Here, the amount of data and data sources and data types that the organization grow rapidly as compared with the traditional days. Here we have different types of data sources such as mobile phones, applications like Instagram, Facebook, and many other social media platforms. And what does the ETL exactly mean? ETL stands for extract, transform, and load, and it is the process that the data engineers use to extract data from data sources, transfer the data into a usable and trusted resource, and load data into a system end users can access systems so that end users can use it for reporting to make decisions for their business growth and solve problems related to their business. We have another implementations like ELT, which is a vice versa of a transform and load. Uh, so let's get deeper into it. The first step of this process is extracting data from target sources that are heterogeneous, such as business systems, API servers, and marketing tools, and other online transaction databases. We have different types of tools to extract your data, uh, such as Informatica, Talent, and many others. And the second step in this ETL implementation is transformation. Here we uh, transform the data that is used to make reporting for analysis and making decisions for the growth of a company or any other organizations. This phase includes the data deduplication, format conversion, featuring, so that the data will be useful for the uh, reporting and analytics purposes. And the common transformations such as data filtering and data mapping, data deduplication, and joining the data and splitting the data. And let's get into the third step. The third step in this ETL implementation is loading. Yeah, we load the data after transforming it to a suitable format for the uh, reporting purpose. The st- to store the data after transforming, we need a central repository such as a data warehouse, a data lake, and analytics platforms. Here we have different types of data warehouse platforms like Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and Google BigQuery, many others. The challenges we have in this ETL implementation, maintaining maintaining and monitoring the ETL pipeline for every single second, and a pipeline that we build in one environment cannot be used in other environment, and which is very which is very disadvantage in this ETL implementation. And when we have a large volumes of data, it is very complex to load the to extract and transform the data, so that we need a large amount of compute resources. And these are the minor challenges in ETL implementation. For example, we will take the water treatment plant. The first step, which is extract. Here, the data may be water, and data sources such as the rivers, lakes, and underground sources, uh, which is a raw data that we will be uh, that we need to make a filter for which will be useful for consuming purposes. After getting the data, that is the raw data, we need to transform it to for suitable for analytic and reporting purposes. Here, once the water is extracted, we need to do some transformation, that is filtering operation, filtering, which so that we can safely drink or consume. In the same way, when we look into ETL implementation, when the data is transformed, so that we so that the data is suitable for reporting analysis purposes. Uh, when we uh, filter the data, so the final step is we need to store the data for distribution to uh, different consumers, so that we need a uh, large storages. In the same way, when we transform the data, we need to store the data for analytics and reporting purposes for the decision making. The conclusion of this video can be ETL implementation is very essential for data engineers for data driven organizations, and this is all about the ETL implementation data engineering. Thank you, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting technologies and tools frameworks about the data science domain.